The Russian terrorists entered this year as pathetic as they were. Our defenders have shown on the January the 1st that they are as great as they were before. These days it is ultimately clear how far we have moved away mentally, simply as humans, from what Russia is brewing in. The feeling we all have of unity, of authenticity, life itself, contrasts sharply with the fear that prevails in Russia. They are afraid. You can feel it. And they are right to be afraid, because they will lose. Drones, missiles, everything else will not help them, because we stand united. They are united only by fear. And they won't take away any single year from Ukraine. They will not take away our independence. We will not give them anything. New year, new day, new results. 45 Shaheds were shot down on the first night of the year. I'm thankful to our Air Force, pilots and the aircraft troops. They are responsible for 33 Shaheds. Thank you to the air defense units of our land forces. They downed another 12 Iranian drones. Well done, guys.